Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make chili Southwest egg rolls, so let's get started with the video. We're going to begin by preparing our ingredients. First, dice 1 onion, 1 red bell pepper, and 1 jalapeno. Then chop up some cilantro. Next, chop 1 rotisserie chicken into small pieces. When you're finished, set your ingredients to the side until you're ready to use them. In a large pan over medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then add a 1/4 cup of diced onions, a 1/4 cup of diced red bell peppers, and 2 tablespoons of diced jalapeno peppers. Then saute the peppers and onions for about 5 minutes. Once you finish sauteing the peppers and onions, add the chicken we prepared before, a 1/3 cup of corn, and a 1/3 cup of black beans. Then mix everything together until well combined. Next, mix in a 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Once you've mixed in the seasonings, add 1 cup of spinach. Once the spinach is almost fully cooked, reduce the heat to low, then add 1 cup of Monterey Jack cheese and 2 tablespoons of cilantro. Then mix everything together until well combined. Once you finish making your filling, you can start making your egg rolls. First, place a tortilla on a cutting board. Then add the filling to the edge of the tortilla. Fold the tortilla once over the filling. Then fold the sides of the tortilla to the center. Then fold the tortilla over 2 times. Next, add water to the edge of the tortilla and then continue to fold it. And that's it, you're all done. Now set your egg roll to the side and repeat this process until you've used up all of your filling. Once you finish preparing your egg rolls, you can begin frying them. Fill a pot or deep fryer with vegetable oil and then heat the oil up to around 350 degrees. Once the oil is hot, fry your egg rolls for around 3 to 4 minutes or until crispy and golden brown. Make sure to turn the egg rolls occasionally for even color. Once the egg rolls have finished frying, take them out and place them on a wire rack. Repeat this process with the rest of your egg rolls. Once you finish making your egg rolls, you can go ahead and plate them up. And this is the finished result. These egg rolls were great, they were super easy to make and absolutely delicious. And of course I got some Avocado Ranch on the side to dip them in. Overall 10 out of 10, would totally recommend. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!